Hello people, this is Jasneet Singh aka Innovative Coder from Innovative Coder Workstation, and today this is my first video with a whiteboard, and today I'm going to talk about a very interesting yet unique topic, which is, as you might have guessed from the title of this video, invest on yourselves. So first point which I'm going to explain you guys is what is the meaning of this topic, invest on yourselves. So normally what people do is, I myself being a programmer, I'm giving this advice with my experience and what I have been through till this time. So recently I launched a program known as Tech to Come. I'm not doing marketing or promotion of that course because it was a big failure, it was a huge failure, but I learned from that failure about, not about anything related to programming, but about related to what humans think and what we as a programmers have this mentality of going always for free courses. So I myself being a programmer I'm doing a lot of free courses. I'm learning from a lot of free stuff from YouTube, from Udemy free courses, freetutorial.us, Coursera free courses, edX free courses. There are tons out there. But what my thinking is, and what I prefer is doing what is known as guided learning. So this is my you can say strategy. What I do is I spend every month I spend 2,000 as a budget on my guided learning. So I prefer instructor based course, either it be of 1,000 rupees or maybe 2,000 rupees, or I just collect 2,000 rupees and go for a course of 4,000 or maybe 5,000 kind of certification courses. These certification doesn't matter at all while your interview or your job process, but they definitely have a better advantage during your learning. Because if you are doing something on your own, if you are a self-learner, that's a very good thing. You must do that. But what happens is when you go for a guided course, they push your accelerator, right? They just accelerate your learning process if you are doing something in 6 months. So if I start with basics, so I recently started with the React Native course, and I went on YouTube, searched various tutorials. There were like free code camp tutorials. I'm just naming some of them. They were like very good, huge resources, but still I found some difficulty in starting. Everyone does that. Everyone finds difficulty in starting, and I have a separate video for that. Like, how can you break through, just if you are learning something, how can you just achieve and accelerate that thing? So the link would be given in description. Okay, fine. Then how these guided tutorials help you? They help you in accelerating. So if you're doing something in 6 months, you can do the same thing in 3 months, right? That's all for this video, guys. I hope you must have learned about something or the other from this video, and I hope that you should follow this kind of strategy. It's not that I'm promoting something or I'm just saying that you should spend your money like anything. I'm not saying that either, but I'm saying this just to refine your skills, put some extra effort, put some extra money on your skills, because the investment you do on your skills, you get the same as a return of 10x, right? So you put 200 rupees on your skills, you'll get an internship of 2,000. It's not like a formula kind of thing, but it's just that guided learning always helps you achieve better results, right? Self-learning would help you, but while programming, you need to go to Stack Overflow and you need to do all of these stuff. There are things, but that's all for this video, guys. Do like this video. If you like the Blackboard setup, then do comment, guys, that Blackboard setup or the computer one. I can manage between both. So that's all. Share this video with your programmer friends, and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys, and do follow me on Instagram. I have a good community over there. Thank you.